Yo, what's up, everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and as you can see with today's stock market run, we had a fantastic day. It basically rebounded every single bit of what we lost yesterday. I think almost, not completely with stocks like VOO, but I believe so, at least very close with Apple. I'm pretty sure about Microsoft, and then Tesla is back up some as well. But as you can see, we got a nice, about $1,600 gain, as you can see here. And with VOO, it started out at 9 a.m. at 1.87% above what it was on the baseline. And then at 9:30 a.m., that's when the normal market hours started, it was 1.94% above. And then since this little low point right here at 10:15 a.m., it basically increased ever since. And then, of course, in the after hours, it dropped just a little bit. And then we were down minus 0.29% in that period of time. But as you can see, I got a nice $558 gain, 1.90% overall. We're still down a significant amount in VOO, about 12%, which is minus $4,057. But I will say it was interesting to see us recover almost completely from yesterday. Yesterday was what I would call like a stock market crash or a smaller stock market crash. And today we just had such an amazing growth day. I don't know if it was just my portfolio in general, but even as you can see with other stocks like VOO, it recovered pretty much almost the same as it was yesterday. If you look at the week, so as you can see, we basically dropped after at 9:50 a.m. after this high point here on April 21st down to this spot on April 21st in the after hours. And then as you can see, it pretty much recovered by the end of the day today with what it was at just one day ago with that stock market crash. So we've pretty much recovered on that loss yesterday. I'm back to $64,000 with my portfolio value, so I'm pretty happy about that. And honestly, I'm pretty hopeful right now. I know it's important to be cautious, and I'm still doing that, but I guess it doesn't hurt to hope if I'm going to keep my money in these stocks regardless. So I would like to see a positive outcome out of all of this, but I feel like it's almost impossible for that to happen. Like I said in many other videos, I feel like a bigger crash is coming, a newer bottom is coming, like a bigger bottom or a lower bottom is coming that's even lower than this March 23rd date. Unfortunately, I feel like that's the case, but I would absolutely be happy if it's not. But, I mean, as you can see, we had a solid day today, pretty much steady growth until the very end of the day in the after hours. But anyways, we'll go ahead and show the other stocks for my gains, and I guess really no losses unless you check out these two at the bottom. But I just have 4 main holdings. So if we check out Microsoft, we got a nice 3.08% gain, which is about $501 in gains, and we're in the positive at 8.79% or $1,355 for Microsoft. So I'm super happy about that. This is just one of those stocks that really performs well for me consistently. And then next up, we have Apple, a nice 2.21% gain today, which equals to about $248. So we're only down just a slight bit on Apple with minus 4.08% or minus $489. So not too bad. Apple grew a pretty significant amount today, as you can see. And then next up, we have Tesla, which performed the best out of everything I own today. And I just got to say, Tesla is just one of those stocks that I feel like it just cannot be stopped. It can be stopped temporarily, but it's on a mission to the moon and nothing is going to stop it. I feel like the people that invest in Tesla, regardless of what Tesla is doing in the industry and all of their logistics and statistics, the people that are fans of Tesla are going to be constantly raising this stock higher and higher just because of its dedicated fan base. So as you can see, we got a nice 5.57% gain or $306. We're still minus 10.68%, but we're getting close. We're getting close. And that is minus $693 overall. So honestly, I'm pretty happy with Tesla considering that I was down 35% just a few weeks ago. It's pretty crazy that we've already recovered to about even right now. So I'm pretty happy with how Tesla has performed, but I'll be honest, I would like to see it drop a little bit in the future. I'd love to buy some Tesla under the $450 price range. I feel like if you could get it under $450, it would just be an absolute steal. You would be getting free money. But that is all just my opinion, and like I say in every single video that I post, everything that I say is not to be considered financial advice. It is simply just me sharing my opinions about the market, the moves that I'm making, and sharing my losses and gains. So I do really like Tesla, and I have an interesting video coming up talking about SpaceX and Starlink, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, I just wanted to share this quick little video today. I feel like I can't really add much to these anymore nowadays because I still feel the same that I felt for the past 2 weeks or so that I've been doing these. So I tried to make this one a little bit shorter given that, but I do hope you all enjoy these portfolio updates. It is pretty fun to just take a look at this every day and see what the stock market has done and how it's behaving. So I do think that's a little bit interesting. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to drop a like on the video. It really does help me out. And if you want to start investing, feel free to use my referral links for Robinhood and Webull down in the description below. If you sign up with those links, then you'll get some free stocks, which is pretty awesome. Here's just a few examples of some of the stocks that I've received. Caesar is actually doing pretty well lately. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.